iOS 18 is officially here, and it's the biggest update in Apple's history. While everyone's talking about Apple Intelligence, today I'm going to show you 10 secret features that Apple didn't mention on stage. These are the game changers you'll actually use every single day. Let's dive in. First up, the home screen has finally been set free. You can now place your apps anywhere you want on the grid. See this? I can put them at the bottom, along the sides, or even leave gaps in the middle to show off my wallpaper. And with the new tint feature, you can change the color of all your app icons to match your aesthetic. It's the Android-style freedom we've been waiting for. Just look at my setup, it's clean. It's organized, and it's finally *mine*. Number 2, the control center has been completely reimagined. It's no longer just one screen. You can swipe through multiple pages for different controls, like media and smart home devices. But my favorite part is that you can now resize the widgets directly. Watch this. I can make my music widget bigger for easier access to controls, or smaller to save space. It's so much more flexible and powerful. Alright, feature number 3 is the one you guys went crazy for: locking and hiding apps. I actually made a dedicated short on this a few days ago, and it blew up. It's the ultimate privacy hack. Just long press any app, select Require Face ID, and it's locked. If you want to go a step further, you can hide it completely so it only appears in your app library. Your secrets are finally safe. Next, a feature we've been begging for: T9 dialing is here. No more awkwardly typing names in the search bar when you want to make a call. Now, you can just use the number pad to spell out a contact. For example, if I want to call Mum, I just tap 666, and her contact instantly pops up. It's a small change that makes a huge difference. Feature number 5 is pure magic, and it's inside the Notes app. It's called Math Notes. You can literally write down any math problem, like 50 plus 20 equals, and your iPhone will automatically solve it for you, right there in your own handwriting. It's incredibly cool to see in action, and perfect for quick calculations without switching apps. Number 6 is a surprisingly useful one: flashlight beam control. If you have an iPhone with a dynamic island, you can now adjust the width of your flashlight beam. Just slide your finger, and you can switch from a wide, spread-out light to a super-focused, narrow beam. It's perfect for finding something you dropped in the dark. Coming in at number 7, say hello to scheduled messages in iMessage. How many times have you remembered something late at night, but didn't want to bother someone? Now you can just write your message, tap the plus icon, and select Send Later. You can schedule it for the next morning or any time you want. This is a total lifesaver for work and just being considerate. Feature number 8 feels like something straight out of a sci-fi movie: eye tracking. This is an incredible accessibility feature that lets you control your entire iPhone just by moving your eyes. You can navigate menus, open apps, and scroll through pages, all hands-free. It's not just futuristic, it's a powerful tool that shows where technology is heading. Number 9 is for everyone who obsesses over their battery health. With iOS 18, you can now set a specific charging limit. Instead of just the 80% option, you can choose to stop charging at 80, 85, or 90% to help preserve your battery's lifespan long term. I'm actually dropping a deep dive video all about battery life and optimization tips tomorrow, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss it. And finally, number 10 is a small but welcome addition. There is now a digital power button right inside the control center. This means you can turn off your iPhone without ever touching the physical side button. So if you're worried about wearing out your buttons or your case makes it hard to press, you now have a super easy on-screen solution. So there you have it, 10 incredible hidden features in iOS 18 that make your iPhone so much better. Let me know in the comments which one is your favorite. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.